when I'm in the UK. Everybody gonna say UK reluctantly, cause most of this press don't fuck with me. The style one said, tell me cool down, don't act a fool now.
Hello you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ari. If you're new, if you're not new, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I got this long luscious braid using Cuban twist hair. As y'all know, I love me a good wig, but I had to give a break from the wigs. My hair needed to breathe somehow. I'm gonna be doing this braid for you guys today, and I hope you guys like the video and stay tuned for the next one. Okay guys, so I'm starting off today's video by just taking out all the scrunchies and stuff that was in my hair from the previous hairstyle. I'm not gonna be washing my hair because I washed my hair last week, so my hair is still relatively clean. I had blow dried my hair, so it's already pretty stretched out. I'm gonna start off by just like sectioning it in half. And the part doesn't need to be too straight. You can just section it kind of messy. This is the part I'm going to be working with, and I'm just going to tie this part away. I'm just going to go in with some water, and I'm just going to spray this section just to reactivate the gel. I'm going to go in with my brush, not too much on this brush. This brush has been through it. This brush is probably about a decade old, but she does what she needs to do. I'm gonna take the hard side and I'm going to brush my hair downwards, starting at the root. And then I'm gonna go in with some of the red Argan Oil Eco, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit right over that. Not a whole lot, just a tad. And then I'm going to brush it into a ponytail. As you can see, you guys, this part is all pretty laid. I'm just gonna take another layer of hair. Again, it doesn't have to be too clean. As you can see, this is a little messy, but we can work with this. So I'm just going to add some water to my hair to reactivate the gel. And then again, I'm just gonna take the hard side of my brush and just brush it down to kind of mold it onto that low ponytail. I just want to say really quick, I'm alternating between Edge Booster and Eco. I'm mostly using Eco because I already put a little bit of Edge Booster on my hair prior, but I'm just gonna go in with some of the red Eco again, just a tad, like a little bit. Don't add too much because your hair will get flaky. And I'm just gonna apply it onto that section. And then you guys, I'm gonna go on my hard brush again and I'm gonna brush it down into a ponytail. I'm just gonna say that when I slick it down into a bun, I'm using a new rubber band each time. I'm not taking out the prior ponytail. For this, I have one rubber band. I have one rubber band right here, and then there's another one right here from the first ponytail. I'm not really taking out or like combining ponytails. I'm just doing more ponytails as I go on. I'm just gonna do one more section, and I'm going to repeat, just spraying that section with water and brushing it down. And instead of using the Eco this time, guys, I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of Edge Booster and the strawberry scent. Just gonna rub it into my hands and then apply it onto the hair. Take me back to Georgia, back to Atlanta. Funny how present turns past. And then you guys, this is what it should look like. Really simple, really easy. And then you guys, I'm just gonna do this section really quick and I'll come back when everything is all done. I can tell that she loves me. Nigga can't help but to touch. Smack it round a bit, then slip on some bubbly. Hope I'm not doing too much. Strange new addictions pick up on the road. Change my opinion and change all my flows. Change my approach, no more loving these hoes. And when it rains, it pours. Hey. You make me feel so primal. That's what I am. I'm just a man. Take that pussy, drop it. Okay guys, so this is the result once I've slicked back my hair. Everything is all nice and smooth. I left out my sideburns and my edges because I'm just gonna do those at the very end. And for those of you who's asking like, oh, is this hairstyle tight? It's not tight. I probably only use like 4 real scrunchies on my hair, so it's not really a lot of tension on my hair. For the braid, I'm using the Cuban twist hair, 24 inches. I'm using this hair because I didn't want to use straight hair because obviously my hair is not straight. I wanted it to easily blend in with my hair. I hate when girls, and no shade to them, but I hate when girls have like 2 textured ponytails. Like your hair slicked back and it's 4C, but then your ponytail is 1B. I don't want that look. Just so my hair can like be laid, I'm just gonna put on my scarf and then we're gonna work on the ponytail. I'm just gonna start by sectioning my ponytail into 3, just like this. As you can see, 3 little ponytails, and I'm just gonna start it as like a regular feed-in braid. I'm just gonna go under and then over like this. And then while I have this here, I'm just gonna take 1 piece of the Cuban twist hair and then feed it into my hair like this. Again, I have 3 strands like this. I put it over, under. Now that it's like this and I have the availability to put it in my hair, I'm gonna take 1 strand and just feed it in right here. And then I'm going to braid that into my hair. And then taking another strand and just feeding it in. This time I'm just gonna do 2 because I know that my hair is thicker than this hair and I want it to match the thickness. Just feed in 2 strands and then braid over, adding another strand, feeding it in, and then again just braid that over. Hair so it's not getting too. When it's long enough, I'm just gonna flip it over and then start braiding this way. The way she moves it, I can tell that she loves me. Nigga can't help but to touch. Smack it round a bit, then sit on the body. Hope I'm not doing too much. Strange new addictions pick up on the. Then you guys, just to go a step further, I'm gonna take another strand and then I'm gonna take my crochet hook and I'm just gonna put the crochet hook through my ponytail, not through the actual braid itself. I'm just gonna take the hair, hook it through that crochet hook, and then pull it through. And then you guys, I'm gonna gather all to this side and then begin wrapping the hair around to cover my ponytails. And then you guys, just for like a cute little look, I'm gonna take another strand and then just split this into like 4 or 5 like thin little pieces. And then I'm just gonna crochet it into the braid and then I'm gonna curl it so it has like some cute little curls. So we have just a few little strands on the braid. To curl this, I'm just gonna dip them in some hot water using my flexi rods. And then I'm just gonna put the rods over the hair and then get ready to curl. Strange new addictions up on the road. Change my opinion, change on my flows. This is it once I put all the flexi rods on it, and then I'm just gonna go dip it in hot water and I'll be back. Okay guys, so this is the final result. I had dipped the ends in hot water, as you know, to curl it. I added just a few little curls, and honestly y'all, this is so cute. It's so cute and it's so long. Like you can play double dutch with this, y'all. I did my edges as well and my sideburns. I'm telling y'all, if you have 4B, 4C hair like me and you want to do a braided ponytail and your hair is not straightened, this is what you use. This is what you use. Because listen, look, listen, it did what it had to do. Just look. Okay, I'm done. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know if you tried this method and let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Always like the fool, ow, ow. Ain't